Yes, friends, good morning to all of you. Hope you are all fine. Friends, you know that we have started with we have started with accounts and we have done up to 4 chapters. The first chapter we have learned is regarding the introduction to partnership. And this whole part we are going to learn the partnership. Second chapter we have learned the final account and just now we have completed. Chapter number 3 deals in the related to goodwill and the how to calculate and the goodwill, calculation of goodwill. And the fourth, we have started with the reconstruction of partnership, how to find the sacrifice ratio, gaining ratio, revaluation, and how to distribute the accumulated profit and loss. Now, friends, you can see that we are starting with the topic we are starting with the topic admission of a partner. We are starting with admission of a partner, and the weightage after final account, this chapter gives the maximum weightage to us, that is the 9 marks. And the section carry one question carry 1 marks, while in section E one question gives us 8 marks. So total it gives to us around 9 marks we are getting. Now the topic is how to calculate the new ratio that we have to find. How to calculate the new ratio, sacrifice ratio and the gain ratio. Illustration 1 to 9 and exercise question number 3 1 to 15 deals in this. So friend, let's see the first question. A and B are the partners in a firm, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2. C is admitted for 1/4 share in the profit. Calculate the new profit and sharing ratio. So the first information what we are having, particulars A and B. You also start writing particulars A and B. In particulars, we can write old ratio, that is 3, 2, and total comes to 5. Clear? Now, what is the information? They are saying that a new partner C and C share is how much? 1/4. So friends, now how to do this? Old ratio is given and C is a new one and he is to be given 1/4. Now the question is that who will give 1/4? C share is 1/4. Now the question is who will give this 1/4? A and B. But A how much and B how much? When this question arises, we have to solve by some different method. That is, we are starting. The first thing we have to write, let the profit of the firm be 1. Let the profit of the firm be 1. We are making an assumption. The profit is 1. Now, in that, the most important, that is the new one, that is the C. And C share is how much? 1/4. Now, let's see the remaining part. Because what I said to you, total profit is 1. And in that, C is giving how much? 1/4. So what is the remaining part? The remaining part is 3/4. Is it clear? Remaining part is 3/4. Now let's see how to do this particular sum. So how to do this particular sum is very simple. In order to calculate the new ratio, it has some basic formula. That is old ratio multiplied by remaining share. What is the formula, friends? In order to find the new ratio, the formula is old ratio multiplied by remaining share. So let's see. The first comes the topic A's new ratio. I want to find A's new ratio. So what is the A's old ratio? 3 and 5. So 3/5. And what is the remaining share? We are left with how much now? We are getting, we have the total share is how much? 1. Out of 1, already we have given C how much? 1/4. Now we are left with 3/4. 4 minus 1. We are left with 3/4. So 3 3s are 9 and 5 4s are 20. Now comes the topic B. B's new ratio. B's new ratio means, again the B is old. How much he is getting? 2 by 5. And now he is getting 2 by 5 from the remaining, that is 3 by 4. So 3 2s are 6 by 20. Now comes the last one, C's new ratio. So C is getting how much? 1 by 4 is fixed. So 1 by 4 into, so what to do? 5, 5. So it comes 5. So the new ratio comes to us. So new ratio is 9 is to 6 is to 5. Is it clear, friends? So now let's see the sum, illustration number 2. Here also A and B sharing ratio 2 is to 1. So same thing, what I have to write? You have to write with me particulars A, B and total. Old ratio, what is the old ratio? 2, 1 and total comes to 3. Clear? Now, who is admitting? We are admitting C. And what is the C share? 1 by 5. And they are saying that A and B is going to share in the ratio 2 is to 3. Let's see that. So let's see the sum. We are starting. Let the profit of the firm, when we have to calculate this one, when nothing is, say, when the profit of the firm be 1. In that, C share comes to us 1 by 5. Now take the A share. Now what was the formula? Not sorry, A. We can take remaining share, the first is. Remaining share is 1 minus 1 by 5. 4 by 5. Up till here, what I am saying, in order to find the new ratio, I am saying that old share multiply by remaining share, because at that time the old was there. But now the new is there. So now the formula is new share multiply by remaining share. New share multiply by remaining share. So how to do that one? The first name, who is? A's ratio is equal to, so what is the new share? What is the new share of A? 2 is to 3, that is 2 by 5 into, what is the remaining? 4 by 5. That comes to 8 by 25. 8 by 25. Then comes whose name? B. B's ratio. Now what is the B's ratio? B's new ratio. 3 by 5 into, what is the remaining? 4 by 5. 12 by 25. And the third one is the C. C's ratio is already, we have discussed that, 1 by 5. So we have to just match the denominator. So 5 5s are, it comes 25 and 5 1s are 5. So new ratio comes to us 8 is to 12 is to 5. New ratio comes to us 8 is to 12 is to 5. Clear, friends? So this is the two sums that we have learned. Now let's see the next question. Now, what is in this question? They are saying that A and B are the partners sharing profit in the ratio 4 is to 3. So let's start. Particulars A, B and total. Okay. Old ratio, that is 4, 3 and total comes to 7. They admitted C with the share. C share comes to 1 by 7. C obtained 2 by 21 share from A and 1 by 21 from B. Now what they want to say? Now they are saying who will get from where? From A. That means I can say A sacrifice how much? 2 by 21. While B sacrifice 1 by 21. And they are asking to find new ratio. So new ratio is equal to old ratio minus sacrifice. So let's take the example of A. A's new ratio is equal to A's old ratio 4 by 7 minus 2 by 21. You can do the cross multiply or we can do LCM also. So better I think LCM. So it comes 7 threes are and 21 ones are. 4 threes are 12 minus 2 upon 21. It comes to us 10 by 21. That completes the first part. Now see the B. B's new ratio is equal to, now what is the B? Old 3 by 7 and how much he is sacrificing? 1 by 21. So now again comes the LCM. Again comes the LCM. So 7, 3 and 21, 1. 7 threes are 21 minus 1. It comes to, sorry, 3 threes are 9. 9 minus 1. 8 upon 21. Now finally comes the third partner, that is the C. C's new ratio is already fixed 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 into, by which number if we multiply, we get this 21. That is 3. So 3 by 21. So our new ratio comes to us 10 is to 8 is to 3. 10 is to 8 is to 3. Clear? So revise just this one. So just a short revision what we have learned. First question we have done a different way. Second question we have done a different way. Third we have done a different way. So let's revise the first three topics. A and B are sharing profit 3 is to 2. So 3 is to 2, 5. C share they have given 1/4. Okay. And they are asking to find the new ratio. Nothing is saved. So let the profit of the firm be 1. C share comes to 1 by 4. So remaining share comes to 1 minus 1 by 4. It comes to 3 by 4. And now the formula. New ratio is equal to old into remaining. That is A's new ratio is equal to, how to do? 3 by 5 into 3 by 4. Remaining share. 3 threes are 9 and 5 fours are 20. Clear? Now comes B's new ratio. Now what getting the B? B is getting 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. It comes to 6 by 20. Now the C share is already being given to you, so nothing new to be done. 1 by 4 into 5 by 5. So it comes to 5 by 20. So 9 is to 6 is to 5. In the second question, it clearly says that A and B are the partners and the ratio is 2 is to 1. C is admitted for 1/5 share in the profit and A and B would receive 2 is to 3. So A, B and total we are getting 2, 1 and 3. So let the profit of the firm be 1 and C share comes to how much? 1 by 5. So remaining share again the same way, but our formula changes. What the formula says? New ratio is equal to new share into the remaining share. That is 2 by 5, right? 2 by 5. New ratio. Clear this one. 2 is to 3. 2 by 5 into 4 by 5. Don't take the old one. 8 by 25. While in B it comes 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. 12 by 25. 1 by 5 into 5 by 5, it comes to 5 by 25. That is 8 is to 12 is to 5. Clear? Clear that's one? If you practice, then only it will be clear. Otherwise, it's very hard for us. Okay. Then comes the third topic. A and B are the partners. 4 is to 3. They admitted C as a partner and 2 by 21 and 1 by 21. So now in this sum, it clearly says that how much the A is ready to sacrifice. A is ready to sacrifice 2 by 21, while B is ready to sacrifice 1 by 21. So A's formula, we have done all this. So new ratio comes to old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. So A's new ratio 4 by 7 minus 2 by 21. That is, we have to minus. Why? Because the formula says to you old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. Old ratio minus sacrifice ratio. That is 4 by 7 minus 2 by 21. Right? So, if we cross multiply, we have taken the LCM. So, 4 3s are 12 and 2. 12 minus 2. It's a normal thing. We have done in the gaining ratio sacrifice the same. Here also 3 by 7 minus 1 by 21. So 3 3s are 9 minus 1 upon 21. 8 by 21. And the new ratio, that is of C, 1 by 7 into 3 by 3, 3 by 21. So new ratio comes to 10 is to 8 is to 3. Clear? So it becomes very easy for us to learn this. So let's see the fourth question, how to do this one. Now, yes, A and B are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5 is to 3. They admitted C as a new partner who acquires 1/5 in the firm. C obtained his share from A and B in the ratio 3 is to 1. Now what they want to say is that two partners are there. Just write down particulars A, B and total. Old ratio 5, 3 and 8. Now who is the new one? C. C share 1/4. Now what they want to say, C obtain his share. That means C obtain his share 1 by 4 from A and B in the ratio of 3 is to 1. Now how to do this one? It's a totally a new one. So how to find? We have to find A sacrifice is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 देना है. Now how much A is ready to give? 3 by 4. पता चला क्या बोला मैंने? 3 by 4. 3 is to 1 total 4. So 3 by 16 is ready. The same way B's sacrifice. B's sacrifice is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. C को मिलना है. Now B is ready to give 1 by 4. 1 by 16. 1 by 16. So let's see. Find the new ratio. Now we have to go. We are going to find the new ratio. So what is the formula? New ratio is equal to old minus sacrifice. The first name. First name comes A's new ratio is equal to A's old 5 by 8 minus 3 by 16. Again, we have to do the same LCM. 8 2s are 16 1s are. So 5 2s are 10 minus 3. It comes to 7 by 16. Right. Then comes the new name B's new ratio. So B's new ratio, we are taking 3/8. That is the old. And how much he is ready to give? 1/16. LCM 16. 2s are 1s are. 6 minus 1. That is 5/16. Then comes the C. C's new ratio. So C news ratio comes to us. Already we are giving 1/4. So just we have to make the cross multiply. That is 16. Denominator. That is 4/16. So our new ratio comes to 7 is to 5 is to 4. 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Right? So this is the new ratio of this. So revise it, illustration 1 to 4. Then it will give the clear idea too. Whenever the ratio is given, multiply it, and then we get the sacrifice. Then we have deduct. If directly the fraction is given, we can deduct it. If nothing is given, let the profit of the share is 1. Okay. Thank you.